Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, before we start, I will just remind you of subscribing to this channel here and get the greatest song ever covered on this channel here. So, yeah, before we go on, let's do that. Thank you very much. Now, Wish Wednesday. Okay, so this is where you subscribers and all watchers have wished for a song here. And this one is wished from Power Bauer and Tamsin Charles, perhaps some more, I'm not really sure. This one was pretty popular, I guess. And this is a song from Sam Fender called 17 Going Under. So this is especially for you guys and for all you watching this channel here. So this is very easy. It goes in the same way through the whole song here. And before we start, we need to set our capo here on the 6th fret. And we have 4 different chords to learn. So let's start with those first. The first chord will be G6. All right. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. So that's the G6 chord. Then we have D. Okay, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we have E minor 7. So that is open E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord will be C add 9. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. So beautiful chords there, and a beautiful strumming, and a very good song here from Sam Fender. So this one is all about one strumming pattern and one chord progression, and that goes through the whole entire song here. So before we look at the chord progression here, we will look at the strumming. So it's pretty easy, and we can start with the E minor 7, since that is the first chord. Okay, so grab the E minor 7, and the strumming will be down, up, down. That's it. So down on the bass strings here. You don't want all this, just the bass. That, a couple of strings, and then up down more on the middle top strings, like this. Yeah, so that's what we need. And now let's look at the chord progression here. It will be 1 strumming round for E minor, then you quickly change to 7 rounds on the D. Then you land on 1 round on the E minor again. And then you go for 4 rounds on the C and 3 rounds on G. So the hardest part here is really to separate all these rounds from each other and to really bring in the E minor quickly and jump to next chord, since that is only played for 1 strumming round and this goes pretty fast. So that's the challenge in this song here. Otherwise, when you have this, you can play the entire song, because that is the only thing we're going to learn here now. That's what works for this song. So I'm gonna, instead of playing all this strumming, I'm gonna count for you just 1 down for each strumming round, so you will get the feeling for when to change. You will get the feeling for the timing here when to change the chord, and then we're gonna bring in the strumming. So we start easy here. So it will be E minor, D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, E minor, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3. So that is the strumming, you can say. I just pushed 1 down for every, but that is in the same as 1 strumming round. So again, slowly. E minor, D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, E minor, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, and again, E minor, 1, 2, 3 on D, 4, 5, 6, 7, E minor, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3. So this goes round and round. So E minor, D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, E minor, C, 2, 3, 4, and G, 2, 3. All right, so that is just the timing here for the chords and when to switch. So now when we bring in this down, down, up, down, sorry, down, up, down, for each time I push down, it will sound like this. I will try to play a bit slower here so you can be able to follow. So let's go start with E minor 1 time and then move on to D 7 times, E minor 1 time, C 4 times, and G 3 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, E minor, C, and G, E minor, D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, E minor, C, 2, 3, 4, and G, 2, 3. All right, so that is basically it when it comes to handling these chords and the play. Now we just need to speed up and play in a standard tempo, and it will sound something like this. And so on. So yeah, this pretty much covers this great song from Sam Fender called 17 Going Under. And thank you very much for suggesting this song on Gordon Guitar, especially to you, Power Bauer and Tamsin Charles. And yeah, I hope all you guys interact with me and give me some more alternatives for Wish Wednesday to bring up on this channel. So yeah, see you soon guys, and if you like this one, please thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.